Hello, welcome to Home Cooking with Somjit. Today I'm going to stir fry long beans with chili and dry shrimp. I have about a dozen of long beans cut into 1 inch long. So I get about 1 bowl and 2 tablespoons of dry shrimp, 6 pieces of dry chili soaked in the hot water for about 10 minutes, about 7 to 8 shallots, asam kapeng. This is 2 pieces of asam kapeng, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, half teaspoon of sugar. Today I'm going to cook it very simple way. So I'm going to blend the ingredients. For the chili and the shallots, I'm going to put it in blender. And the dry shrimp put together. So I add in half of the shallots that we have and add in a little bit of water. Just help easier to blend. So we have our chili and all the ingredients blended, and we can go and fry it. 2 spoons of cooking oil. I just put in the mixture. We're going to stir fry the mixture until the fragrance come out, and when it's ready, then we can put in the beans. The mixture is getting dry and it starts to release the oil, so that is when we know that the mixture is ready. So we just continue to stir fry for about 30 seconds. See, it has released the oil. Now I'm going to add in a little bit of water. Then I can put in the beans, sugar, fish sauce, and the balance of the shallots I have cut into thin slices, and I just put it in. The asam kapeng, 2 pieces, add in. Long beans, they take longer time to cook, so I added the water, and I'm going to cover the lid, let it simmer in the pot there for about 2 to 3 minutes. Long beans will cook just 3 minutes, so I'm going to taste it now. It's enough taste, so it's enough salty. See, the time's up already. 3 minutes past, so that is done. Stir fried long bean with chili and dry shrimp. It's done. We can serve. It's enough taste and everything. The flavor of the long beans is very unique, so it has its own kind of taste. The spiciness from the chili and the taste of the dry prawns and the shrimp paste add on. This is very nice. This kind of food we need to have with rice. Will be good. So thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.